Look, honey, that's all the dove that was flying earlier. Those are the one. That one. See how a lot. Look at that bird. Look at that. That's the one was flying earlier. How many? Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So dami nila, guys. Oh. Wow. Those are very much a lot. Look at that. Look. OMG, guys. Look. Dami nila, oh. Look at that. Kadami-dami po nila. Nandun yung isa kong camera. So, ang dami nila, guys, oh. Wow. Shout out po sa aking mga minamahal na mga subscribers, silent viewers. Sa mga FWs, kaibigan at hindi, mega love shout out. Nagbablog po tayo dito ng mga bird. Yan po, bird po yung ating inaano po, mga kinukunan po natin to ng mga kalapati po yan. Kalapati ang ating kinukunan ng video. Shout out po, ang ganda-ganda. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayun. Oo. Oh, you guys, look at that. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. So, punta na po tayo dito. So, honey, I took the video for you. I took the video for you. Thank you so much. I hope you can watch and enjoy it. Okay? Because I did for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kinukunan ko lang to ng ano. So, talagang dami po dito. Oh. Talagang ano po. Tingnan po nyo talaga. Oh. Ang dami po nila talaga. Yan. Yan po, ang dami po nila talaga. Oh. Oh, honey. It's right there, honey. Oh, kadami, oh. Beautiful ducks. The dove. Ang dami po nila yan. So, thank you so much. Love you. Shout out po sa aking mga minamahal na mga subscribers, silent viewers, sa mga view. Mega love shout out. Wala po tayo make guys. Ito po yung ating beauty. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye now. Sa aking mga members, super chatter, nag-iisang sponsor. Thank you so much. Ayan na po. Bye-bye. Love you guys. The beautiful bird right there. And the airplane. So, tapos na po ako. Hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you so much. Mayroon lang man tayong pang-upload, diba? Thank you and I love you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.